𝚃𝐃 for changing her career from data engineer to software tester joins STAD Solution. Let's hear it.
Hi, myself 𝚃𝐃. I completed my MCA in 2014. Currently, I am working as a data engineer. Later, I decided to change my profile with software tester. One of my friends suggested me to do course automation and manual in STAD Solution Ahmedabad. I choose my manual course in that. In this course, I learn SDLC, STLC and all manual functions. I learned how to create test cases, test scenario, test report, test plan and bug report also. I also learned how to test game application, mobile application and web application. I am thankful to STAD Solution and faculties. I strongly recommended to join STAD Solution for all the type of manual testing and automation testing. Thank you.